Alright, so what we got here today is a Casablanca Lady Delta. So I got this fan off of eBay. Now eBay usually I would never use to get a fan because, well, literally everything on there is pricey as hell. But I figured since I actually have a job now, I thought, what the hell, why not? This fan is from January 14th, 1994, and it was the 52nd fan made on that particular day. So I got this fan for a couple reasons. One, I've been wanting to find a Lady Delta for quite a long time now, or at least a usable one. If some of you remember, a while ago I got another Lady Delta, also off of eBay, which is in antique white. However, it was not in the best shape as one of the blade arms was severely bent and, well, the rest of the fan just wasn't, in the best shape. So I parted that out. Now, the second reason I got this fan is, well, I actually want to use this as a bedroom fan at some point, but I just need to find a light kit for it first. Alright, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate it. Here's low. And of course, like any Casablanca, it starts on low, which I think is pretty interesting. Alright, now here's medium. Alright, and now for high. And of course, like any Casablanca would, it absolutely hauls ass. Alright, and there you have it. That is my Casablanca Lady Delta, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.